It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's between Naima Williams of Stella Prep, who is up against Tyreek Barnes of Ensom City Primary. Naima, we begin with you. What's the place value of the 9 in 45.089?
Thousandths.
That is correct. If a sum of money is shared in the ratio 3-4, and the larger portion is $320, then what's the total sum of money? Time's up. Tyreek, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's $560. Naima, what's the median of the numbers 5, 7, 4, 2, and 9?
5.
That is correct. A man bought a watch for $3,000. He sold it and made a profit of 18%. What was his profit?
$54.
That's incorrect. Tyreek, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. $3,324.
That's incorrect. It's $540. Naima, a piece of string is 5 meters long. If a piece of 75 centimeters is cut, what length remains in centimeters?
425 centimeters.
That is correct. Tyreek, over to you. What's the value of the 5 in 14.058?
5/10.
That's incorrect. Naima, would you like to try?
Yes, please. Hundredths.
Accepted. That's correct. That's incorrect. We're looking for 5/100ths. Tyreek, if a sum of money is shared in the ratio 5-3, and the smaller portion is $135, then what's the total sum of money? Question passes to you, Naima. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $360. Tyreek, what's the median of the numbers 7, 5, 6, and 9?
6.5.
That is correct. An article was bought for $2,600 and sold at a profit of 10%. What was the selling price?
$2,260.
That's incorrect. Naima, want to try?
Yes, please. $2,860.
$2,860 is correct. Tyreek, how many pieces of ribbon, each 10 centimeters long, can be cut from a length of 4.8 meters?
48.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science, it's the Battle of the Captains. Captain Darian Thomas of Stella Prep is up against Captain Aidan Johnson of Ensom City Primary. Captain Darian, we begin with you. Complete this statement by inserting the correct word in the blank space. The clear front window of the human eye is called the
Cornea.
That's right. What's the name for the scientific study of plant life?
Botany.
That's right. A slide in a school playground is an example of which simple machine?
Incline plane.
That's correct. Which system is responsible for the distribution of blood around the human body?
Circulatory system.
That's right. To which stimulus does the eye mainly respond?
Light.
That is correct. 5 of 5, Captain. Captain Aidan, we're now over to you. Complete this statement by inserting the correct word in the blank space. Sound vibrations are changed to nerve signals in the blank of the human ear?
Cochlea.
That's correct. What's the name for the movement of pollen from the anthers to the stigma of a flower?
Pollination.
That's correct. A flagpole is an example of which simple machine?
A pulley.
That's correct. Blood is circulated around the human body by heart, veins, and which other blood vessels? Question passes to Captain Darian.
No, thank you, miss.
It's the arteries. Aiden, to which stimulus does the air mainly respond? That's EAR, mainly respond.
Sound.
That is correct. Taking us now to English language. This face-off is between Chelsea Hilton of Stella Maris Prep up against Amory Johnson of Ensom City Primary. Chelsea, which part of speech is the word for used in this sentence? He must work, for he has to pay his bills.
Conjunction.
That's right. In the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean a part of a play and the past participle of the verb to see. Question passes to you. Amory, want to try?
No, miss.
It's seen. S-C-E-N-E and S-E-E-N. Chelsea, spell erroneous.
ERONIOUS.
That's incorrect. Amory, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's erroneous. ERRONEOUS. Chelsea, by using the word cart, give a proverb which means to reverse the accepted order of things.
To put the cart before the horse.
That's correct. What is the subject in this sentence? The silly student missed many classes.
The silly student.
That is correct. Amory, now over to you. Which part of speech is used in the word spoken, as used in this sentence? I have not spoken to him since.
Present tense.
That's incorrect. Chelsea, would you like to try?
Yes, please. A verb.
The verb is correct. Amory, in the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean a set of connected rooms in a hotel and something that has sugar in it. Question passes. Chelsea, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's sweet. S-U-I-T-E and S-W-E-E-T. Amory, spell righteous.
R-I-G-H-E-O-U-S.
That's incorrect. Chelsea, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
Righteous. R-I-G-H-T-E-O-U-S. Amory, by using the word hey, give a proverb which means to make the most of one's opportunities while you have the chance.
To put the hay.
Time's up. Chelsea, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's make hay while the sun shines. Amory, what's the predicate in this sentence? The ship in the ocean went down.
Went down.
That is correct. Taking us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Christian Foreman of Stella Maris Prep, who's up against DeAndre Lee of Ensom City Primary. Christian, what is Jamaica's highest national honor?
Order of the National Hero.
That's correct. In what year did the Most Honorable P.J. Patterson first become Prime Minister of Jamaica? Time's up. DeAndre, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 1992. Christian, according to the Jamaican folk song, what is over now is evening time. Question passes to you, DeAndre. Want to try?
No, miss.
It's work. Christian, which Jamaican national hero was a soldier in World War I?
Nanny of the Maroons.
That's incorrect. DeAndre, want to try?
Yes, miss. Sir Alexander Bustamante.
That's also incorrect. It's Norman Manley. Christian, in which county in Jamaica is the parish of Portland?
Surrey.
That's correct. DeAndre, over to you. Which national honor of Jamaica is designated with the initials OM?
Order of Merit.
That's right. In what year did the Most Honorable Michael Manley first become Prime Minister of Jamaica?
1977.
That's incorrect. Christian, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1972. According to the Jamaican folk song, which person in a ring looked like a sugar in a plum? Question passes to you, Christian. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's a brown girl. DeAndre, which Jamaican national hero was heavily involved in the printing business?
Marcus Messiah Garvey.
That is correct. In which county in Jamaica is the parish of Manchester?
Middlesex.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Stella Maris Prep on 21 and Ensom City Primary on 17. Stay tuned, the final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.